The equations filter can be used to create all kinds of transformations, rotations, scaling, but it can also be used to distort an image in vast numbers of ways. Please check out the equation that's in the description below. Please feel free to use it in your projects. You can find the equations filter in Filters, down to Distort and Equations. You can use it with any layer, such as gradients, images, pattern designs, and much, much more. You can also use it with different extend modes. So you can go for 0, which ends up with just a single design, or full, so you get the white background, repeat, which is not always the best, also wrap, as well as mirror. So there's many options. You can also set the coordinate system. In this one, I'm using polar, and click apply. As with all of the other filters, you can always go to Filters and Repeat Equations and reapply it to create additional effects. You can also go to Layer menu and Fade Equations to blend with the original image and the effect. You can set the blending mode as well as the fade setting and click apply. The equation is not cast in stone. You can always go up here and change any of the settings. Maybe instead of 5, you can use 10 or 20 or 2. If you want to use it with shapes, just go to Layer and Rasterize. Then go to Filters and again Distort and Equations. All kinds of amazing designs can be created using exactly the same equation with a shape. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.